he's more rejoicing over one sinner that gets saved now over 99. Ain't it amazing how we run, jump, and shout and holler and nobody gets saved?
Come on.
Come on, preacher.
Come on.
All right.
We're happy because we're in and we're good. You know how it is when we're trying to find a good job and you finally make it and you feel like you've done it. It ain't about you. Tell me, neighbor, it ain't about you. It's about Jesus. I come by to tell restoration this morning. Amen. We must understand. We must stay focused. We must reach that one person that have backslidden. We must reach that one on the street. We must reach our family. The Bible tells us, amen, charity starts at home. Listen to me, ministers. Don't try to preach to the world if you ain't preaching to your family.
Come on, son.
Come on. Don't leave your children laying in bed and come to church. Trying to win the church. Come on now. If they live up under my roof, they go to church. It doesn't matter who it is. If they up under my roof, they go to church. Sick or not, they go to church. Don't listen to me. What I'm trying to tell you, don't try to win the world when you ain't trying to win your family. Win your family first. And then God will give you power to step out on the street corner and say, thus says the Lord thy God. How you know that, preacher? Book of Acts chapter 1 and verse 8. He tells the disciples after the Holy Ghost is come, you shall be a witness to Jerusalem, Samaria, amen, to other parts of the world. Quit trying to win the world when you don't win your family. Tell your neighbor that'll preach.
That'll preach.
You know why it's hard to win your family? Because your family's the hardest ones to win.
That's right.
They critique everything you do.
Come on.
Come on now.
Come on.
It's hard to win that wife when you lie to her. Come on.
Come on.
It's hard to win that husband when you always belly naked complaining.
Come on, son. Preach.
Trying to get on married, but I tell you one thing. The Bible said them Pharisees and Sadducees complained because he was eating with sinners. Tell your neighbor, you better quit eating with church folk and find you a sinner to clear out.
Come on, son.
That's what Jesus done. Ain't that what Jesus done?
Yes, sir.
You know why we do that? Because we want somebody later on to buy ours because we're buying them. You ain't getting no reward for that.
That's right.
He says when you did it to the least of them, he said you done it unto me. I come by to tell restoration. Stay focused. You got to stay focused. You got to win your family, your community. Amen. Wouldn't it be awesome next Sunday morning, all Red Springs is trying to get in the funeral home? Come on. You know why? Because we're concerned about the duck dealer. And we're concerned about the duck dealer. Come on, we want to see him saved. Do you know the enemy has a way to trick people to make them feel like the only way they can make it is that you got to sell dope?
Come on.
Let me give you a nugget that God showed me. He says, not only do I want the drug dealer where they can be saved, he said, I want to show them that I'm the first creator.
That's right.
He says, I'm the one that took, a lamb and slayed it and then clothed man. Listen, God can take, your ideas and make you a businessman. You ain't got to sell dope to do it. Come on, somebody. God wants, a lawyer. He wants a DEA. I wish we had a DEA this morning. Come on, somebody. And we need law enforcement. We need doctors. We need regular people that just work every day while I preach because we all have somebody we can reach. There's a problem this morning when we get to a place that we feel like we don't got to worry about who God is. Tell your neighbor, you're lying to yourself. You got to be concerned about the sinner. People are going to hell this morning. Amen. But I don't want them to go on restoration's watch. If ever a sinner comes to restoration, I want you to know that Jesus Christ loves you.
Amen.
Jesus Christ died for you. Would you stand all over this house this morning? I didn't come, amen, just to preach, amen, just a sermon. I come to tell, amen, restoration members and Christians alike, stay focused. Stay focused. What is my focus, preacher? I need to be concerned about the lost. I need to be concerned about the drug dealer. I need to be concerned, amen, about my family. Just because you made it doesn't mean, amen, you need to forget about them. You need to be concerned about everybody. Do you understand this morning? Everybody needs somebody. We cannot think it by ourselves. Would you bow your heads all over this house this morning? Maybe you're here this morning, you're lost without Jesus. You're lost without Jesus. I come by to tell you Jesus died for you. Jesus loves you this morning. You are the main reason He came to this planet Earth. Was for the sinner man. And doesn't matter what creed or color, what lifestyle you live, He died for you. He come that He would have everlasting life. The Bible says in Romans 5 and 8 that while we was yet sinners, Jesus died for us. John chapter 3 verse 16 says, "For God sent His Son into the world, amen, because He loved us, that we wouldn't perish, but have eternal life." How many lost without God in this house said, "Brother man, I'm lost. I'm lost." God bless those hands. God bless those hands this